In this video, I'll be reviewing the Vortex Crossfire HD 10x42 Binoculars. I've had this pair for quite a while and wanted to give you my opinions and thoughts on this product. Before we go any farther, if you are interested in picking up a pair of these binoculars, we will be leaving an affiliate link down in the description, meaning if you do click and make a purchase, we'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Alright, let's get into it. Right off the bat, one thing that I absolutely love is the lifetime warranty that comes with these binoculars. Vortex's warranty will even cover accidental damage, meaning if you drop these binoculars and something breaks on it, Vortex will repair or replace it for free. Another key thing that I love is that these are waterproof and fog-proof. And knowing that is a great peace of mind when you're out in the field and it is dumping rain or snow, knowing that you're going to be covered there. When using these binoculars, I have not noticed any internal fog buildup, which is a great sign that the seals are working. Let's take a look now at some of the features on the binoculars themselves. So first we're going to take a look at the eye cups here. So these eye cups, they are adjustable, and to change the distance from where your eye is to the binoculars, simply just twist that eye cup and it will change that distance setting. Next thing we'll take a look at is the right eye diopter. Now, unlike some of the other Vortex models, this diopter does not have a locking mechanism. It's just kind of free floating, so whenever you adjust it, there is no way to essentially lock it in place, but fairly straightforward to use. And then looking at the center focus wheel, like many other pairs of binoculars, it's going to function just as you would think. You're going to turn to the left or right to adjust the focus of whatever it is that you're looking at. Let's take a look now at the lens caps here. I have had some trouble with these lens caps falling off. As you'll notice, I did put a little zip tie on that outside edge just so that rubber piece won't fly off. However, with that little change, I haven't had any issues with those caps coming off anymore. It's simply just going to go right over the top of the binoculars just like that, and it pops into place. But that's one thing to consider, is that they aren't the most secure, so just keep an eye out so you don't accidentally lose one of them. Also, if you are looking at mounting your pair of binoculars to a tripod or some sort of mount, Vortex does have an adapter that you can get, and then it would attach right in the middle of the binoculars right here. Just unscrew that little cap, and then that is where the Vortex tripod adapter will go to connect your binoculars to your tripod. Pretty straightforward process, but a cool little feature that they added on these pair of binoculars. And then for the lens caps on the back of the binoculars, it's just going to be this piece right here. They make it really straightforward, one piece together that can attach to the straps, and it just pops in place. Now, I do like the carrying case or the glass pack that comes with this pair. It acts pretty much as a harness that you can use, and honestly, I've used it during archery and rifle season for hunting. I have not had it interfere with any of the equipment or anything that I am doing while hunting. It is a very straightforward harness. Basically, it just goes over your shoulders and it's going to rest right in the middle of your chest. Another cool feature with this harness is that it does have the option to clip into your binoculars, meaning you can take the binoculars out of the harness, use them, and then just set them down, and they'll be dangling from the harness, so they're not just going to fall onto the floor when you need to quickly transition to another piece of your gear. So like this, you see they're clipped in so they can just hang freely, so you don't have to feel pressured to put them immediately back inside that glass pack. In my opinion, if you're looking for an entry-level budget pair of binoculars that have exceptional glass quality, visibility, and clarity, it's going to be hard to find a better pair than the Vortex Crossfires. These binoculars I hands down recommend, have been using them for years, and will use them for many more years to come. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.